A gentleman in Antarctica wearing a black tuxedo. Emperor penguin. They live on the Antarctic Peninsula, where they can shelter from the wind and live on solid ice that is not in danger of breaking up. They live in groups about 18 kilometers from shore, choosing places close to ice cliffs and icebergs to shelter from the wind. The emperor penguin lives up to its name and is the largest species of penguin in existence. They average 110 centimeters in height and weigh between 22 and 45 kilograms. Males are slightly larger than females, but they lose a lot of weight while incubating eggs and raising their chicks. The beak is about 8 centimeters long, and the outer surface of the wings is black, while the rest of the belly and inner surface of the wings are white. It is characterized by a distinct black and white border, with a vivid yellow back and a pale yellow breast. The upper bill is black and the lower bill is pink, orange, or lilac. This variety of body colors has given them the name of the emperor penguin in a tuxedo. When young, however, emperor penguins are covered entirely in silvery gray downy fur, with a black head, ears, chin, and neck and a white face. The emperor penguin can swim up to 11 kilometers per hour and dive to an incredible depth of 533 meters. Their dive time is about 18 minutes. Their diet consists of fish from the Southern Ocean, but they also eat crustaceans like krill and mollusks like squid. Emperor penguins are the only animal in Antarctica that overwinters. They form colonies in March and April and lay eggs in May and June, when colonies can range in size from a few dozen penguins to thousands. After the female lays her eggs, she heads out to sea to stock up on food, and the male carries the eggs on his feet. During the 2 to 4 months of incubation, the male does not eat anything except snow for hydration. Hundreds of egg-carrying males will circle each other closely and slowly, switching places with those on the outside as their body temperature drops to keep the entire group warm, a process known as huddling. The gestation period is about 64 days. When the chicks hatch, the male penguin feeds them by vomiting the digested food in his stomach. About 10 days after the chick hatches, the female returns to feed it in the same way. From then on, the males and females take turns going out to sea to hunt for food. At 40 to 50 days of age, both parents go out to sea to hunt for food, and the remaining chicks form a group and play huddles. After a year, the entire colony is out at sea. In Antarctica, seals, orcas, and gulls are their natural enemies. Gulls attack eggs and chicks. Once the chicks are furred and large enough to be raised in groups with other chicks, thieving gulls become their biggest enemy. When a chick is attacked, several other adult penguins will rush to its defense, pecking and screaming to repel the gulls. Emperor penguins are highly nurturing animals. If an egg breaks or a chick is lost and freezes to death, the penguin that lost the chick will try to raise it by taking a chick from another penguin. In doing so, however, the eggs are often broken and the chicks that fall to the ground are crushed by the large size of the adult penguins. Even if they do succeed in taking the chick away, the chick's chances of survival are very low. This is because each penguin family has a distinctive call that they share, and chicks and parents communicate by sound, and they may not remember their chick's call or recognize the chick that was taken. If they think a chick is not theirs, they will abandon it and leave. So, there you have it, the emperor penguin, Antarctica's national animal. For more animal documentaries, subscribe to Alpacaworld TV.
There's a bird with a very impressive butt on its head, and its name is Hoopoe. I'm sure many of you haven't heard of it. The Hoopoe is a small bird with a body length of 28 centimeters and a wingspan of 15 centimeters. It's brown in color, except for its long black bill. The feathers on the top of its head are large and long, allowing it to stand up freely. It sits on the ground and stands upright when alert or startled. In Korea, it is a summer bird that can be found in the central part of the country, but it is not very common. It breeds in trees in the wilderness and occasionally on the roofs and under the eaves of inhabited houses. The Hoopoe lays between 5 and 8 eggs from April to June, which the female incubates alone for between 10 and 20 days. The young leave the nest within 27 days of hatching. The Hoopoe looks as unique as its unique name. I'd love to meet them in Korea.